I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky.
Hello, and good afternoon. This is Araceli Lombardi and my co-worker, Paytonimus. Today, on Crescenzi News, we will be showing you Uranus! We actually have a surprise guest, but back to the story. Today, a special scientist will be coming in. We call her the Solar System Guru. Yes, I did make that up myself. Now, we will come back to this story. Commercial break now. Hello, I am the Solar System Guru, and this is the Solar System Wizard. Solar System Wizard, say hi! We are very pleased to be on the Crescenzi Show to teach you, viewers, all about the planet Uranus. This is a really great planet, actually. Uranus, not Uranus or urine, us, Uranus, is the 7th planet away from the solar system. Also, the furthest planet you can see with the telescope. Uranus was founded by the British astronomer William Herschel on March 13th, 1781. Happy late birthday, Uranus. Come on, wizard! Wizard! Woo! What an audience back there. Uranus was named after the Greek god of the sky. Astronomer Bode, B-O-D-E, named him Uranus. Right there on the blue screen. Uranus. 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 That. Uranus is 1,784,860,000 miles away from the sun. To be exact, it takes light 2 hours and 40 minutes to travel to Uranus. Uranus's equator is 4 times the size of Earth. Oh, hey, yo, baby. Uranus orbits the sun once every 84.1 Earth years. As you can tell, let me get my goggles on so I can see better. As you can tell, the sun is very bright right now, so that's why we wear these goggles. Except he doesn't need them because he's a superhero. Uranus has longer years than Earth years. 1 Uranus year is 84 Earth years. It takes 17 hours and 40 minutes for Uranus to spin on its axis. The surface of the 7th planet is blue and kind of like a little greenish, as you can see from the blue screen. Come on, Chico, point to the blue screen. Point to the blue screen. Point to the blue screen. Uranus, 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 Uranus. Okay, back. This is due, the coloring is due to the tiny crystals of methane around the planet. The crystals have frozen outside of the planet's atmosphere. Far below the visible clouds are probably a lot thicker than the cloud layer made out of the liquid water, crystal of ammonia ice. We're going through the layers of Uranus. The wizard! This is the Solar System Wizard. Don't be ashamed of him. Don't be ashamed. Okay. Layer made out of a liquid water and crystal of ammonia ice. There may be an ocean in Uranus containing dissolved ammonia. At the very center of Uranus, there might be a rocky core the size of Earth. Uranus, Earth. Ooh, what's the difference? Okay! We scientists know this information by sending one of our spacecrafts, the Voyager 2, to Uranus in January of 1986. The Voyager 2, or what I like to call it, the key to information. As you can see, this is how we got all the information about the greatest planet ever. In miles, made it within 5,000 miles of the planet. So it was like right there. There's the little spaceship. Voyager, 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 Voyager. Yeah. Now, the very unique thing about Uranus is that it is on a 98-degree slant. Well, not slant, actually a tilt. It's kind of tilted. Tilt. The axis almost lie in the orbital plane, with the plane created by Uranus' orbit around the sun. So technically, it's kind of like laying on the orbit. Laying on the orbit. Is that right, Wizard? Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Okay, we're back to, sorry, we are just so close as friends. We have to express it with the whole Crescenti show. Now say hi. Hi! Favorite planet. My personal favorite planet. The planet I am here to teach you about. Uranus' magnetic field is similar to the strength to Earth's magnetic field, except twice, very bigger. Much bigger, I'd like to say. Uranus' magnetic axis, the line joining the north and south poles of the magnetic field together, is aligned with the planet's strongly tilted rotational axis. Although the magnetic field is offset from the planet's center, the influence of Uranus' magnetic field extends for several 100,000 kilometers above the planet. So it's a very big magnetic field, as you can see. And it's where I want to wait for you. Now I've been thinking that Uranus consists of 83% hydrogen and 15% helium and 2% of methane and smaller amounts of other gas. Uranus has no living life on it, as me, the scientist, can tell, and all my other scientist co-workers, they're not here. Uranus has 21 moons and 5 large moons. 2 of the largest moons are called Titania and Oberon, which were also discovered by William Herschel in 1786. Uranus also has 9 rings. Some of these rings can be as small as 50 meters. Look at those babies. Those are the rings of Uranus. Uranus, I mean. Geez, no wonder everyone loves this planet. Okay, back to you, Linda. Thank you for having me on the Crescenti show. Thank you. Let's hear a hand. Woo! Scenes from our live audience. Woo! Yeah, I love Guru. I love you, Guru Solar System. Oh, it's kind of crazy out there, as you can see. Okay, well, I'd like to conclude this important message of the planet Uranus to thank all the people that watched. Thank you so much. The solar system guru herself and the wizard who is laying down. I'd also like to thank our proud sponsors. Lays.
With a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of